In this video, I'm going to go over some formatting tips and show you how to add commonly used icons into the quick access toolbar. First thing to notice is that the project summary tasks, these phases, right? If I consolidate these are all on the same level, highlighted in bold font because they have subtasks. Now, if I want these to have the same treatment, I'm going to click that line, and from the task tab I'm just going to select bold, right? So that's good like that. And then just to show you, I'm going to expand these, and then I'm going to click line 20, and now what I have is my 6 project phases, in bold font, so everything looks uniform. Okay, then I want to modify these columns, and I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to field settings. And the title, I think I'm going to center the title. That would be the name, duration. And the data, I'm going to put this, and this. I'm going to align those to the right side because I don't like the jagged edge. And I'm going to come here, and I'm going to do this. Now, project is not like Excel, so I have to do these one at a time rather than highlighting everything and just taking care of it all in one shot. So again, right click, field settings, align title. We're going to put the title in the center, and we're going to put the data on the right. That's just going to make it a little bit neater. And then I don't want these numbers butting up against that. So on predecessors, I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to field settings. Again, I'm going to center the title, but on the data, I'm also going to center that. And what I have there is just a neat little view of all my data. My dates have a uniform right edge, and everything to me is easier to read. Now, the next thing I want to demonstrate is the quick access toolbar, which belongs up here. And there's a save icon, an undo, and a redo. I believe those are the default icons. So let's add a few more. Now, I can click this, and I can add them here if I want, but I want to show some more commands. I'm going to go to options, and then I'm going to come down to quick access toolbar. The first one I want to add in that's going to be really useful is this thing called copy picture. I'm going to put that there. Then another really important one is zoom entire project. I'll put that there. Another real important one is scroll to task. And I think those are the only ones I want to add to demonstrate this. So again, it's scroll to task, zoom, and copy picture. So let's demonstrate these. Let's say that your project is off the grid, if you will, and you want to get it back in line. Then all you need to do is you come here to this one that says zoom entire project. You click that, and that brings your Gantt bars into it. It'll even compress them if they're really long. You'll get all your Gantt bars showing in your project. The scroll to task button, see this task, this complete FDA certification is off the grid, but I want to see that Gantt bar. Well, if I come up here to this and say scroll to task, I click that, and it automatically brings the Gantt bars back into view. Now, dealing with a small project like this, that's not a big deal, but when you're dealing with larger projects, it certainly is. Okay, see, now I've lost this first one, so if I come up here, I can zoom to this, right? Let's go ahead and do that. Let's say I have it like this, and if I come here to zoom entire, I click that, and it puts that back. So those are two real good buttons to use. Now the next one is the copy picture icon, and what that will do is that will do a printout of this document. It'll put it on your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere. So I'm going to come up here to copy picture, and I'm going to just do it for the screen. It's going to go to my clipboard, leave that in select rows, and I'm going to put a date range here. And my project begins on January 4th, so I'm going to put January 1st there, and my project ends July 14th, so all that extra graph. And here I'll just put July 17th. And if I click OK, what I've just done is created an image and put it on the clipboard of my computer. So if I bring in a Word document and I make this full size, I'll go to Layout, and I'm just going to change that to a landscape orientation. My cursor's there. I can right click, and then I can just paste. I just stretch this out a little bit. And I now have a very good image of my project that I can share with whoever I care to. And that is all I wanted to show about some formatting things and the quick access toolbar.